Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today, you know what I'm saying, we got something special. I know all you see is sweet potatoes. That's what we're gonna be talking about. I'm gonna do a series of dishes. Anybody thinks about sweet potato, think about, sweet potato pie or, anything that has to do with that. But I'm gonna show you several different ways you can use these starch sweet potatoes to make different type of dishes. I'm gonna do a series of them. Stay close to me because I'm gonna do a little soul, a little sweet, a little savory. All different types of dishes using just sweet potatoes as the main ingredient. So let's get into this video of what we're gonna be doing. But if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I'm gonna have more great dishes. That I'm gonna bring to your table. That's real easy and simple. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna get ready to fry up some sweet potato fries. Now, there's always many ways to, use sweet potatoes, and this is one great way that you can do, especially, for the kids, or if you want to do something for watching the game, or something a little bit different. So I'm gonna show you different ways, in these series, how to use sweet potatoes, and this is gonna be one of the ways. So what you want to do is get your, oil up to about 350 degrees, so you can start frying your oil. Now you can use a thermal pen. I have a thermal pen, but this is not a thermal pen. This is another thermometer that you could use to actually check your oil. And right now it's at about 351. So it's time to drop in the fryer. You guys, be safe with this. Do not have your fries dripping in water because you don't want no kickback from the water and oil hitting. So make sure it's fully dry. If it's not, use a cloth, dampen it and stuff like that. So mine is fully dry, and I'm about to actually deep fry it right now. So we're gonna throw in the first batch. Spread them around. Put them all in the pot. It's deep enough for everything to go in. Make sure they're fully immersed under the oil. So this is about a good 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes. I'm not gonna do a lot of them. And what you want to do is look for coloring, for floating. Because right now it's just boiling out all of the water that's in it. For starches, for anybody know that ever fried potatoes, they have a lot of water in it. So the same with sweet potatoes. It's just a starchy vegetable that has a lot of water, so it's gonna boil out. So I'm gonna let it do this thing, and I'll show you what it looks like when we take it out, and I'll show you what I'm gonna be seasoning it with. You can season with various of different seasonings, but this one, I found was pretty cool to use. All right, but let's get over to finish frying them up, and I'll show you what it looks like when we take them out. All right, so you see they're pretty much done. We're gonna take them out. I'm gonna let them rest for a little bit, and then we're gonna put them back to do a double fry. So you can have, and the reason why we do the double fry is so if you want to have the crispiness of your potatoes, that's one way you can go about doing it. Because these not gonna be no McDonald's fries, and these are homemade sweet potato fries. So we're gonna let them probably rest for about a good 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're gonna put them back in. Now, you don't have to do this step. You can just go straight in and eat them and season them up the way how you like. But I find they're more crispy and crunchy when you double fry them. So we're gonna let them set for a little bit and stick them back in to double fry them, you guys. That is definitely a trick to how you have crispy sweet potato fries, as we say. So all right, so I'm gonna let them rest, and then we're gonna get back to frying them up. All right, so the fries have been sitting for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna get ready to put them back in the fryer to do the double fry, you guys. And like I said earlier, this is to crisp them very much up. So they get that little crisp. And now they're not gonna be here that long, so just let you know that. So just keep an eye out on them. We're not trying to burn them. We're just trying to get that little extra crispy texture on the outside, so you can have a perfect sweet potato fry, you guys. This is a good tip, you know, that a lot of people know. They be like, man, how come my fries come out soggy? You know, and others come out crispy because they don't let you know that they double fry it. So a lot of times when the these big stores, these places that fry fries, you know, in a large batches, what they do is they take it out, let it rest, let the oil drip off, you know, and let it sit for a while, and then stick it back in the oil to do the double fry. So that's, you know, and you never really see that. You just, you know, get a crispy French fry every time. But that's a little trick that they have, so you won't have soggy fries. Now, you know, there's some places out there that, you know, are known for having soggy fries. Now, and leave in the comments if you're a soggy fry or a crispy fry person. You know, let me know, you know, if you ever did this double fry too as well, you know, and that's on any type of fries. Now, we're doing sweet potato fry. Like I said, there's gonna be a series of different ways to use sweet potatoes. So this is one way, but let me know in the comments if you've tried double frying your fries of any kind. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let this fry up and I'm gonna plate it up when it's done. All right, you guys, so I took it out. You know what I'm saying? It's double fried and crisp. You hear it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season it. Now, I want you to season your fries, especially sweet potato fries, immediately. When it's hot, that's when everything, all the seasoning adheres. So I'm gonna use TNT's, you know, what's that? Uncle Paul's, you know, pecan rub on it, because it got a little sweet savory in it, and that's what you want. So just sprinkle it around as much as you like, you guys. So, you know, if you want to see the bottle, that's what it is right there. TNT's, you know, Uncle Papa's pecan rub. You know, so get it all over your seasoning. You know, make sure you get it all over it. And yeah, you know, make sure it's fully around, coated around and everything like that. You know, make sure you, there you go. And open it up. And it's not overbearing, you guys. It's just right. It has a nice balance of seasonings in here, you know, that you can definitely try out. You know, I really enjoy it. He uses it on his pork, you know, but I felt they had a little good sweet and salty in here, and this is great for, you know, sweet potatoes. So I was like, why not just try it out here? So, you know, I already tried it once before, but I'm about to taste it. You guys, I know some of you guys want to see me taste it, you know, but, you know, it's pretty good. I'm gonna try it. It's pretty good, you guys. You taste the brown sugar, you taste a little salt and a little pepper and stuff like that. It has a great balance and everything, so that's what I was looking for. You know, normally people put, you know, a lot of salt on their fries or seasoned salt. Let me know what you put on your fries. Seasoned salt, salt and pepper, you know, some garlic salt. What do you do to, that you spiff up? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to come through and subscribe. I really appreciate all the wonderful support, you guys. I've been loving it. Y'all been knocking it out the park for me. You know, I appreciate y'all leaving comments and stuff like that in the comment below. You know, I couldn't do any of this without you guys. So, you know, if you're new, come through. If you're not, you know, saying you my riders and been here for a long time. Thanks for hanging in with me. I'm gonna definitely do something for you guys. We're gonna do a giveaway too as well. You know, so help me hit, you know, saying to 20K. We're on the road to it. So we hit that mark. You know, I'm gonna do a huge giveaway to a lot of people, you guys. So if you're new, join the crew and stuff like that, and you can be in the running to get this gifts. It's gonna be gifts. It's not gonna be just one. It's gonna be several, because I'm gonna make sure I get it to every one of you guys that have been here supporting. So definitely come on through and stay tuned to when I give you that raffle out, you guys. And I'm your chef KC, and I'm making these dishes simple. And make sure you stay tuned in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.